This episode of Tolle Run is brought to you by Lyn Lake Chiropractic, FitSock, the Carrie Tollefson Training Camp, and MTech Results. Hi, I'm Olympian Carrie Tollefson, and today we're at Lyn Lake Chiropractic, treating runner's knee. So let's get after it. One of the big injuries that we see in runners is runner's knee. Like your kneecap gets sore, and you know there's a bunch of stuff that goes on that we don't know as just athletes, but you as a doctor knows. So talk about that and what we can do to treat it and how it comes about and all that fun stuff.
With runner's knee, a lot of times it's just due to the tight muscles and stuff like that. So we use the roller a lot here in the clinic to roll our IT band and our quads. And it really comes down to the patella is not tracking correctly, so it's causing rubbing and irritation in that area. So one thing I really like to do is I use the rock tape to tape over that to help that patella glide like it's supposed to.
We've seen this rock tape at the Olympics this summer. A lot of people are like, what is that cool looking stuff? So what are you going to use on me today?
Rock tape is, in a simple sense, the tape pulls in one direction, and what that causes is it actually lifts the skin. We actually stretch the skin out while we lay it down over a muscle or over an area, and it lifts up on the skin, so increased blood flow gets to that area and helps the healing, but also the lymphatics are able to drain out, and it just does a really good job of really, fast tracking that healing of that muscle. This tape is a lot, it's very it's very elastic, and it's got a special weave, so it only pulls in one direction. So really the tape, you have your full range of motion, everything, you're able to keep, your normal stride, and it's not restricting any kind of movement.
Now, and you guys will treat us here, but you're going to send us home with some homework.
Oh yeah.
I mean, it usually with that kind of an issue, there's some strength issue probably as well.
Oh, yeah.
So when we go home, what do you usually say? Like, obviously treatment, but then what do you do with us in the gym?
A lot of times the patients that we see in here don't want to stop the activities they're doing, so we give them stretches that sometimes are less than maybe they feel what they're actually doing, but they're a lot more specific.
Okay. All right, Kevin, tell me how we can find you.
Google.
Hey,
just Google Lyn Lake Chiropractic and lynlakechiropractic.com, or you can call 612-879-8000.
Okay.
And if you Google, you'll see thousands of good stuff on us, and maybe a couple of bad, which is fine, but I like the good ones better.
Thanks for joining me at Lyn Lake Chiropractic. Get after it.